Let's make a strawberry cheesecake blizzard. This is my boyfriend's favorite blizzard flavor. Curl. I didn't look if these were the cheesecake pieces. I hope they are. Yes, but they are almost empty. I hate scooping cheesecake pieces. They are the worst. I guess I am gonna have to fill them after. Or not. Let's get the strawberries. Oh no! Don't tell me they are empty too. Well, at least I had enough for my blizzard. Let's mix this baby. Someone didn't clean up their mess. But wait, I am the only one working right now. Oops, lol. Okay, that's enough mixing. It's almost ready. Don't tell me there's too much ice cream. There's no such thing as too much ice cream, okay? Let's see if it's going to fall. Lol, no.